Hey there, happy Sunday, it's me Victor doing a quick video lesson for y'all out there. Hopefully having a great weekend. Thanksgiving week's coming up. What a week it's been, what a month it's been. We got some good news for y'all out there. Again, the goal of this channel is transparency. Okay, if this is your first video watching me, please go back and watch all the other ones. But the main goal of this is cataloging my journey en route of becoming an elite trader. Alright, remember that 95% of people fail in this business, and your goal is longevity. And within every video, I try to show you my trading style. I don't want you to copy my style. I want you to learn something from my videos and build upon your own method. Alrighty? And again, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. I always try to get back to you. Alright? But starting Monday, I will be trading for a prop firm, and we'll see how things go. The starting equity is $25,000. Of course, with this, there's parameters within every prop firm. Obviously, the maximum drawdown is roughly almost $4,000, $3,500. Meaning, if my account gets below that level, they're going to close it. Now, again, we always talk about this on the channel, is really staying in the game. You know, the three pillars of trading success is risk management, is staying in the game. And that's very important, because with the account balance of $25,000, now again, that's as my equity curve rises, it's pretty much all about risking 2%, max 3%. And meaning per trade, I'm not going to risk more than $500. Now that's going to change. Whenever I see a 5-star setup, I pretty much go heavier. I add into a winner. That's really what I do sometimes. So it's independent on the setup, okay? I'm not sure whenever the setup is valid. It is going to vary. But I want to keep you updated every week of this, how things are going. And again, if I somehow lose all this, I lock the account, then that's fine. We'll just get up and we'll do it again. Because I love doing this. And I've been doing this for quite a while. As I mentioned, I started this endeavor in 2018, so it's been quite a long journey, but it's amazing to see how far you come as a trader. And as I mentioned, you know, this is really gold. You should pause the video and read this right here. It's golden. But the best traders in the world, you know, they have their own system. They trade their own style. And I don't know who you are. If this is your first time watching this, it's going to take time to build upon that. But the key main focus is just to follow the hot stocks, follow the money. And what do I mean by that? I mean, you want to be in something that's moving. Something that's moving. That's not random. And you want to follow the money. Alrighty? And once you find stocks, like I always say, go to FinViz, look at the biggest past movers, and you'll find setups on those stocks. You'll find setups on those stocks. I am a momentum trader in a sense. But one thing with this account here that I should mention to you, it's not gonna go. One thing I should mention on this account, I have it here. Let me show you. One thing that you should know is every position, it's one thing I don't like, but I'll manage it. Every position has to be closed by end of day, meaning I'm not going to be able to swing trade I'm not going to be able to swing trade. This is mainly meant for day trading. Now, I have strategies for both, but primarily on this channel we talk about swing trading a lot, but it's pretty much the same premise. It's these opening range high breaks that I've been trading on the stocks, opening range highs, and they work best with these small cap runners. As I mentioned, you know, I traded it there, and I tried it Friday, but it failed. So it's these opening range highs on all these plays, like on DVLT, setting up for Monday. I watched this one 5-star range break. We talked about this on the channel, linearity. Stock that made a big move, and look how it based numerous times, you know. And here again, we had that nice range break. And the initial entry was Friday, but I missed it. But again, the best stocks move in stairs. I'm watching this one, over 260. Watch it, okay? Remember, stocks don't just go from A to Z. They take time to develop. The best stocks take time, weeks, months to develop. So that's one thing that I'm kind of, I'll manage it. It is what it is. You adapt. So $25,000, pretty much every position has to be closed by end of day, and we'll take it as is. But it's pretty much the same exact stuff I'm doing over and over again. Because I started with an account in September 1st with $25,000, and I turned that into about the peak of $150,000, and I stopped trading that account. So we're doing the same method with the patterns you see in front of you. So it's pretty much the exact same thing over and over again. And you have to find out who you are. But of course, you don't have to trade every day. I'm not going to trade every day. Just whatever the market brings, opportunity, I'll be there for it. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this one sweet and short. There's not that many great things I'm watching. The overall markets are not doing quite well. As I mentioned, 3 out of 4 stocks follow the overall market. You don't really want to trade whenever there's nothing. Don't try to force trades. Don't try to be a gambler. Remember, the best time to trade is whenever you have these moving averages rising. The worst time is when they're on a decline. So just, I don't know, it's a short week. You have Thanksgiving, so obviously the markets are closed in. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you have a great trading week. Hopefully you have a great Thanksgiving. I'll likely do one next weekend just to go over if I take any trades. But yeah, pretty much we're here. All right. Again, $25,000 is the starting goal. The end goal is to pretty much do this for a living. So we'll see. But yeah, I'm excited, and I'll see y'all next time.